Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You're ready to start. First, charge the smartwatch above 30% and enable Bluetooth on your phone. Open the Viwa Fit app and sign in or create an account so settings sync. Once inside, tap Add Device and choose Smartwatch. The app searches for nearby devices. Make sure the watch is powered on and showing the pairing screen. If prompted, allow location and Bluetooth permissions. These let the app discover your watch and complete the secure connection. Once the app finds your Viwa watch, tap its name to begin pairing. The phone and watch will exchange a verification code. Confirm the code on both devices to ensure you're connecting the correct gadget and then accept the pairing prompt. After pairing, the app asks for notification and health data permissions. Grant these so calls, messages, and step counts route correctly. Make sure sync completes. You'll see a success or connected status. If syncing large history, allow a few minutes to finish. Finish by customizing watch faces, notification rules, and fitness goals so the device matches your routine. Once settings are set, trigger a manual sync to confirm data flows both ways and check battery optimization on the phone to prevent background restrictions. If the watch won't stay connected, restart both devices and retry pairing. If that fails, unpair, clear the Viwa Fit app cache, and pair again. As a last resort, reinstall the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.